Hello guys, welcome to Nerdy Bacha. Today we are going to discuss about Dudhwa National Park, which is in Uttar Pradesh and is the only national park in Uttar Pradesh. और ये important है हमारे यूपीपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए। तो इसमें हम उसकी ज्योग्राफी, एनिमल्स जो मिलते हैं, important क्यों हैं और कौन से नेबरिंग कंट्री से मिलता है वो सब देखेंगे। ओके, कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है वो भी। ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द लेक्चर। दूधवा नेशनल पार्क जो है, दूधवा नेशनल पार्क इट्स अ प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया इन द स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश विच वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1977। तो कब बना था ये? 1977 में बना था। द पार्क कवर्स एन एरिया ऑफ 490 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर्स एंड इज लोकेटेड इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ लखीमपुर खेरी। ठीक है, तो ये डायरेक्टली पूछ सकते हैं कि दूधवा नेशनल पार्क कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लाई करता है, और ये प्रीलिम्स में यूपीपीएससी के पहले क्वेश्चन आ भी चुका है। ठीक है, अलोंग द इंडो नेपाल बॉर्डर। The history of Dudhwa National Park dates back to the early 20th century when the area was used as a hunting ground by the British rulers of India. In 1958, the area was declared a wildlife sanctuary by the government of Uttar Pradesh. 1958 में उसको wildlife sanctuary बोला था, with the aim of protecting the swamp deer population which was facing the threat of extinction. Next, in 1977, the sanctuary was upgraded to a national park and the additional areas were added to the protected area. The park was also declared a tiger reserve in 1987 as the area was found to have a significant population of Bengal tigers. ठीक है, तो 1977 में नेशनल पार्क बोला था, उसके बाद टाइगर रिजर्व 1987 में इसको बना दिया था। एंड देयर आर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाइगर्स इन दूधवा नेशनल पार्क, considerable population. Now the geography. Dudhwa Tiger Reserve is a protected area in the Tarai region of Uttar Pradesh, India. It was established in 1988 to Tiger Reserve है, with an area of 1284 square kilometers including the Dudhwa National Park and Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary. ठीक है, तो दूधवा टाइगर रिजर्व में दूधवा नेशनल पार्क एंड किशनपुर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी दोनों के ही पार्ट्स इंक्लूडेड हैं। एंड मैक्सिमम टाइगर्स इन इंडिया इज इन कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क। ओके, so the reserve is known for its rich biodiversity with a variety of flora and fauna, including the Bengal tiger, Indian rhinoceros, swamp deer, leopard, and many species. So here is a map of Dudhwa National Park, which is surrounding the area of Nepal, and जो district है वो लखीमपुर खेरी है। ठीक है, this was asked in prelims, I've already said, and the question can be repeated. Okay. So Dudhwa National Park is home to diverse range of wildlife animals जैसे कि tigers, leopards, elephants, sloth bears, and over 450 species of birds. The park is also known to have its unique ecosystem, which includes grasslands, swamps, and dense forest. And conservation efforts at Dudhwa National Park have included habitat restoration and reintroduction of several endangered species. जिसमें swamp deer and barasanga and species of जो species of deer होती हैं that was on the verge of extinction in like previously when the Britishers were there. अभी उस इतना नहीं है, बट उनका IUCN स्टेटस वल्नरेबल है, इट्स नॉट क्रिटिकली एंडेंजर्ड स्टिल। दूधवा नेशनल पार्क में आपको ये काफी मिलते हैं। ओके, so let's discuss about swamp deer once. It is also known as Barasingha and is a deer species distributed in the Indian subcontinent. Populations in northern and central India are fragmented, and two isolated populations occur in southwestern Nepal. And what they can ask in prelims is the IUCN status, whether they are listed in Appendix 1, 2, 3 of sites or not, and schedule कौन सा है Wildlife Protection Act में, and what is the state animal of Uttar Pradesh. ठीक है, so IUCN status is vulnerable. It is listed in Sites Appendix 1 and Wildlife Protection Act Schedule 1, and it is the state animal of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh both. Okay, so here we have completed about Dudhwa National Park, and I'll be coming up with more such videos like this. And guys, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.